RobinMGP here, and welcome to another Deals review. Today we'll be reviewing the Signalex auxiliary audio cable. So this is from the metallic collection and it's in gold. You can also get it in silver and rose gold, I believe. It says connect your device to most speaker systems, 1 meter approx. Try me, we'll refund or replace if you're not happy with our quality. Alrighty, let's get going. There we go. There we go, it spreads out here. And it does look to be about 1 meter. And this is actually not plastic, it has proper metal coating, which is nice. And it's gold plated and everything. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I have an old school Philips Dynamic Bass Boost sound machine to test this with. Okay, we're going to plug it into the line in here. And I'm going to pop the other end into my iPhone. Alright, as you can see, it's working perfectly. So yeah, it's working fine. If it sounds bad, that's not the cable's fault, it's just this old thing's fault. But if you're wondering what song's playing, it's one of my songs. I'll drop a link to my SoundCloud in the description. And also, why not? I've stuck on the Deals review theme, which is, by the way, Killer 25 by Deverd. Go check it out. But yeah, cable's working fine. If I wiggle it around, not losing anything. Wiggle it around here. I know some cables cause crackle if you turn it around like this. Let's turn the volume up. I'll have a little listen. Volume's on max on the sound thing now. I'll have a listen now. No crackling, which is very nice. What about the other end? No? Consistency. I like that. And not even any sound when I unplug it. Well, that time there was. There we go. So that is not bad going for auxiliary cables. So if you're in the need of one, pop into Deals. They are 1 meter, so they're a bit on the short side, but they do work, and they work a charm. So thanks for watching this episode of Deals Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.